Señor Bubs and Bailey. Bailey! What you doing, buddy? Stay! Nope, 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 nope. Come on. Bubbles! Come on, buddy. Out here. He's a Bubs. Oh, yeah, he's a good boy. Yes, he is a good boy. He is a good. Oh, he's a Bubbles. We're going to have so much fun as long as you don't get in trouble and get eaten by another pit bull. We'll be all right, I guess. We better pick a flight soon. What the hell? I'm just taking forever getting there on my own. I need like someone cracking a whip, taking away my phone. Yes, indeed, I am a scrolling addict, and I wish there was a rehab for that kind of shit. Hey, Bubbles is taking a dump. Oh, Bailey's going way over there. Yes, I think Bubbles got a good idea about where to go and where to not. Whoa, don't you love this phone? Yo, it's so much better than the last one I was using, but I am grateful. I am so. Bubbles has a. He's got an issue going on over here. He's got a string. He's got a string hanging onto his thing. Oh, dude, it's like a. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Oh, Bubbles, what's going on, buddy? You got a problem? Go. Uh-oh. He's got. He's got a string hanging from his butt. And he can't get his turd to let go of it. Yo. I keep on losing him. As I look at. Poor little Bubs are gonna have to go get a napkin and help him. Poor buddy. He's stuck in poop mode. Uh-oh. Poop mode isn't finishing like it's supposed to. Why am I stuck over here in poop mode? Poop mode. Oh, wait. Poop mode. Where did he go? I can't even see. I need to turn my screen's brightness up. Oh, he got it. He finished with the poop mode project. Oh, yeah. He's got the poop mode. He got the poop mode fun. All done, yeah? Where is the Bailey? Where's Bailey, huh? He is a bub.